adding in a new socket behind the TV. As you can see to the left hand side, that cable's extended around and they kept catching it and they wanted a new socket. So taking off this socket underneath the desk, as you can see there's a little bit of space underneath there, so I'm going to use that as my route over to this wall where I'm going to put another socket. Now initially my plan had been to run a socket around, a bit of trunking around from the other one, and yeah, basically I thought, you know what, let me just try go underneath the floor, see what I can do, and it's all worked out. Get my old trusty rods out. These are an absolute godsend to any electrician, plumber. The amount of ceilings, walls, cavities, really awkward spaces that I've been able to use these rods to get the cable from A to B is quite something. It is an absolute essential part of my kit. On this red bit of rod here, I've got a hook on there and I'm trying to get hold of that yellow rod that I'm pushing down there. So we're trying to push it over and try and pull it from one side. And as you can see, this is a bit where I've got it. Yeah, wicked. So once we've got that, then we can now crack on with the rest of the job. This is kind of a really cool invention. This is a company called Super Rod, and they have like this, it's kind of like a net. It kind of tightens onto the cable, so the harder you pull, the tighter it grabs it. It was a little bit of a tight pull, but I got it through anyway. And we are now going to install the socket. And that's pretty much nicely on there. Now a little tidy up, then we go back to the original power source, which is this floor blocks here. I'm going to connect up these sort of final connections here. And then finally, we're almost done there. We've turned it on. We'll give them a little test certificate for this one, and there we are, a lovely little socket, nice and new. On to the next one. Thank you very much for watching.